You're listening to Mentoring Developers. What is this user experience, Ed?
User experience, it's a great question, and it challenges all of us to try to make an adequate explanation of it. But user experience as a whole is really just the result of using any product or service. That's actually user experience. Now, second to that is it often kind of combines with user experience design, and that's the professional application of trying to create effective user experiences. And that often kind of becomes a combination of taking what a user would want to do and what a business wants to do, and trying to find ways of reconciling that so you can have good user experiences resulting from that.
Thank you so much for listening.
For show notes and transcripts, visit us at mentoringdevelopers.com.